Tesla rolls out park assist measurement for vision.
This doesn't mean a lot to you, but it means a lot to someone who doesn't have ultrasonic sensors.
So you don't see a distance reading at the moment?
Not at all.
So
they took out that feature.
So what do you get? A beep?
We get nothing.
What?
We get nothing.
Nothing?
Yeah.
You're just pulling
back in, and then like I can hit something. There's
What?
no alert or anything.
No, I don't believe you.
Because they don't have the ultrasonic sensor. Like
but not even a camera?
They do have the camera.
Okay.
But there's no warning, there's no dialogue, nothing.
All right. So that you want a beep.
Something. In this case, the new update actually kind of copies the ultrasonic
Did you touch anything
sensors.
yet? Did you touch anything?
Touch?
Yeah, with parking the car?
No, I'm pretty...
Because the thing is, the way you're talking about this is a frustration there. And I'm just wondering, you feel like you might bump something without having these sensors.
Yeah. And also I feel like, you know, in every iteration of a car, you should be able to have the previous features, you know?
Cost cutting,
years
dude.
Before. So for them to kind of take out this feature, the parking assist and the summon feature, I think it kind of sucks because I want to try it. But now it seems like using Tesla Vision, it's coming back.
Cameras.
Then, yeah, like these sensors.
The sensors themselves?
Not the actual sensors,
right,
but the UI that shows the closeness of
right. So the camera will then be reflected in the sort of digital representation.
Just using cameras.
With this perimeter around the car, and it will attempt to predict how far in the distance that, which can work to a point so long as the camera has perspective, the perspective necessary, like a curb or something, it loses sight of it. You know, when you're in a parking lot and you have those kind of little dividers and stuff, the camera's going to lose sight of it before the ultrasonic because it's high up, unless you put the camera in the bumper like they do on a lot of other cars just above the license plate or something. Because the ultimate scenario is both. Yeah. You have the sensors and the camera right at the bumper. Like, I feel more confident driving the Taycan for that reason, because it has both. You never feel like you're going to touch anything in front of it. The Tesla's a little bit, even with the ultrasonic, it's a little bit more, because you still don't have that bumper camera.
Yeah. And even the ultrasonic sensor, I heard that there's a lot of, well, not a lot, but a few problems with sensing things that are like really thin or like bushes. It's not like, you know, solid objects.
That's ultrasonic in general, not just a Tesla version of it. Yeah.
So apparently, like this, like with Tesla Vision, just using camera-based systems, like it can hopefully be refined to the point where they're better than ultrasonic sensors.
And you believe that that's the justification for removing those sensors and leaving you in limbo?
Yeah. I mean, I don't mind waiting. It's just...
You sound like you're making excuses. You sound like you're making excuses for Elon there, Will.
This is exciting for me. Like, I really hope that Tesla really refines it. I'm curious.
Yeah. Well, listen.
Huh?
Listen to me for a second.
Okay.
They may find a way of implementing something close to what cameras, like to what you're used to on other vehicles, but it is surprising how far behind they are on that for a tech company.
Yeah, the 360 view, they don't have that.
No 360 view.
You know, they have cameras all over the place.
It's really weird. It's the most outfitted vehicle from a camera perspective, but no stitch 360 view. And then you're driving cars from all these other automakers, and it's there. It's a little bit odd. A little bit curious, and I agree with you. Let's fix that up. Let's ship Willie Do a software update, please.
So this is only available for people who have FSD, at least right now. I hope this is not like a
subscription.
I have to like subscribe to.
Oh my God! Somebody was saying that in the chat, and I thought they were joking.
No, it's for real.
It's going to be hidden behind subscription.
Well, I don't know. I don't think it will.
It sounds like it will.
I think this rollout is going to be for FSD at the moment, and then the next rollout.
I don't like the sound of that, Will.
Hopefully for the masses.
I don't like the sound of it, Will. Of course they... you just need to spend, what is it, 15 grand now?
15 grand.
You want some parking sensors?
I'll be very upset if they
You want the
put a paywall over that.
$15,000 parking sensors?
But
Everybody should have parking sensors on a brand new car at that price point. And
for sure, yeah.
this day and age,
Yeah,
what are you gonna do? Go install aftermarket? You can, you know that, right?
I can, yeah.
Yeah, and then you got a little speaker that just beat. Oh, can you imagine? So ugly for a guy that's
I know, yeah.
got a state of the art vehicle. Mm-hmm. All right.
But right now it's in U.S. and Canada.
The software,
Yeah, the update.
but only for FSD.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. So it's almost out.
Oh man.
Almost out.
Oh baby.